Located in Garras, England, these container holiday cabins offer a perfect getaway, literally sitting on the shores of water. The establishment comprises of 3 similar cabins built entirely out of shipping containers. Each home is built using 2 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side and offset horizontally, creating a lovely layout with open plan living space. The interior is surprisingly spacious with an incredibly well thought out layout. Floor to ceiling glass windows pull outside in, flooding the indoor space with ample daylighting, creating that feel of fresh countryside vibe. An open plan living and kitchen form the heart of this container home. The sitting space is overlooking the outdoors through the full-height glass windows, nicely furnished with a cozy sofa seats and a TV for entertainment. Next to the living area is a modern kitchen, fully furnished with apartment-sized appliances, wooden countertops, a kitchen window that floods the space with natural light overhead, and under the counter storage cabinets. The living space has got a generous dining area big enough to sit 6 next to the kitchen, enjoying plenty of natural light from the large glass window. Past the dining area is the first bedroom. It has a cozy atmosphere with the interior that focuses on bright white tones on both the wall and furniture. It features a comfortable twin over a queen bed and full-height glass door that leads to the terrace. Of the living space is the common bathroom. The bathroom in this home is one of its crown jewels. The bathroom is quite spacious and it features a glass shower cubicle, a toilet, a vanity with storage, and a washer. The master bedroom is beautifully designed to be cozy and comfortable even in such a small area. It features a comfortable king-size bed and a large glass window for adequate natural ventilation. The interior walls are painted white to make the space appear bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. Hardwood floors are used throughout the house, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. From outside, the large glass windows transform this classic container cottage into a building with a modern and contemporary feel. The terrace is furnished with outdoor furniture and a hot tub where you can relax with your favorite beverage and immerse yourself in the rural countryside views. From outside, the grooves of the shipping container walls are visible throughout and are painted in dark colors to make the houses stand out, emphasizing the industrial charm of each cabin. The layout and the quality of workmanship in each cabin is quite commendable. These cabins are also listed as guest houses on Airbnb. Feel free to check them out using the links in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.